Today's video is going to be a super easy one. It's similar to my Halloween sugar cookie recipe. This time we're going to be doing some holiday stamp sugar cookies. They're absolutely adorable. They're so easy to make. As always, the recipe and everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this. Start by getting your butter, sugar, egg, vanilla extract, salt, flour, and food coloring. We're going to start by softening up that butter, mix it well. Get your spatula and make sure you scrape your bowl. Add in your sugar and combine this well. Add in your vanilla extract and keep mixing. Add in 1 egg to this and combine well. Add in your flour half at a time and mix it. Add in that last half and combine this well one more time. And once it's come together, put it in saran wrap and stick it in the fridge for about 15 minutes just to chill it a little bit. You don't need to chill it, this is optional. You can set your oven at 350 degrees, and once your oven is warm enough, take that dough out and we're going to cut it in half. I did a little less for the colored pieces. And I did 1 blue, 1 green, 1 red, and 1 brown with some cocoa powder. And then lightly floured my surface, and I got my cookie cutters to punch out those shapes I need. I started with my green to get the trees. Once you roll it out, stamp out those trees and put them aside. Then I did my brown for my gingerbread man, punched them out and put them aside. I did my red for my candy canes, punched those out. And then finally my blue for my snowflakes. And again, punch that out and put them aside. Once you got all your shapes, make sure you get your sheet pan with parchment paper and roll out your regular dough. Get your circular cookie cutter, that will be about the size of your shapes, just a little bigger. Punch out your circles. I started with my tree, try to center it as best as possible. Punch that out and then just put in the green tree in the center. And then place this on my sheet rack. Then I did the same with my gingerbread man, punched him out, added my gingerbread man into the center, and placed that on the sheet pan. Did this with my candy cane. And finally with that snowflake. These will bake for about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on your oven. And here's our sugar cookies. And that's how easy it is to make these stamped holiday sugar cookies. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see everything I've been making for 12 days of baked goods, I am posting on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All those links are down below. I've also made a playlist with all the videos in there, so if you need to catch up, go on over and watch that. I will leave the link in the description box below. If you want to keep up to date with all the recipes I post, hit the subscribe button as well. And until next time, stay sweet.